Today we are going to discuss about the concept of sourcing. So sourcing is a term which is directly related to the concept of supply chain management. So what is it regarding? So sourcing is nothing but it is a procurement concept. Procurement of what? Procurement of supplies. So sourcing we can easily define. It's a process of selecting suppliers to provide the goods and services you need to run your business. So as we know, for each and every business, whatever the sector, so they need the support of suppliers. So sourcing means some sort of procurement. What to procure, how to procure. So we need raw materials, component parts, and other materials for the production process. So in order to procure these materials, we have to find the right supplier. So finding a right supplier is very, very essential. So what are the benefits of finding a right supplier? The right supplier can only deliver the products in the right quantity at the right time. So that is very important. So selecting a vendor, selecting a supplier is a crucial part in the business. So sourcing is a term or it's a process selecting the suppliers to provide the goods and services you need to run your business. We can give one more explanation. Sourcing is the location, acquisition, and management of all the vital inputs required for an organization to operate. So what all things are included in the procurement process? This includes either the raw materials or the component parts, maybe products, labor, and location and services. So sourcing doesn't mean we are sourcing only the raw materials or the component parts. Sometimes we need to procure the services also. So all those things contains or forms or constitutes the concept of sourcing. The process of sourcing or products or services is the first step in supply chain. It's about finding the balance between the quality of products and raw materials you need and the affordability. The less you spend, the more you will make. Sourcing means finding the right suppliers that provide the right quality you need at a price point that gives you the margin you need. So when we're discussing about the concept of sourcing, we need to think about the cost of procurement or the cost of sourcing. So from the common sense, we can understand that if the cost of the sourcing is comparatively high, the production cost will increase. And ultimately, the customers, the final consumers will have to bear the final price. So if the costs are increasing comparatively above the average price, then it will not be a good sign for the manufacturers. So in the procurement process, it is very necessary for the procurement professionals to manage the cost, to manage the quality, and to find out a right supplier. So we need a supplier that provides the right quality goods at the right time at a very affordable prices. So that's affordable pricing is very important. Then only we can sustain in the market. So that is the introduction to the concept of sourcing. Sourcing is nothing, it's just the procurement of the raw materials. It's not only the raw materials, it includes the component parts, products, labor in all its forms. So we need suppliers to tie up with the organization, especially when we discuss about the concept of supply chain management. The sourcing is directly connected with the concept of supply chain management. To source means to procure. What to procure? To procure some raw materials and other component parts for the production. From where? From the right suppliers. So this is introduction to the concept of sourcing.